Well, this is a one-star review. This is the George Foreman family grill and panini maker. It worked really well, but the third time that I went to plug it in to the outlet, sparks flew out of the power control unit that's here. It melted this tip and tripped the breaker that's in the garage, killing 2 plugs that were in the kitchen. Reset the breaker. That seems to work okay, but I'm obviously going to return the unit. I've only used it 3 times. So it was disappointing, and then I read other people had the same problem. I have no idea what it was. It was plugged in correctly. It just got done cooking hamburgers. I pulled the plug out from the outlet, gonna let it cool. Decided to put on one more hamburger, put the hamburger on, push the plug in, boom, popping sound and sparks. So obviously this is pretty well damaged here. I am gonna get another one. I liked it, except for, you know, almost starting a fire in my house. All right, 1 star on this one. Thanks.
The new George Foreman grill has 3 parts. Detachable top, which I'll get to in just a moment, the bottom, and the pull-out tray, which is for dripping. Top detaches very easily. Pull it up, then using 2 hands, not like me with one, pull up the top, like that. Just pull it out and separate it, right? Just pull out. The top, bottom, and tray can be put in the dishwasher, not the power supply and the heating element. Easy to clean, easy to use, highly recommend. Cooking surface, the heating element is pretty even, and I cook 2 large sandwiches with no problem, or a large quesadilla or burrito, and comes out very even on top and bottom. So have fun. I highly recommend George Foreman Grill.
Okay, this is my new George Foreman I got. As you can see, it says it holds 4 burgers. These were huge. They're literally this size. When you start, you cannot put 4 of them on there. That's not happening. This is dripping all over the counter. Once it gets going, stuff drips off of this. It drips. And then it quit cooking before they were done. They were bloody. Yep. Not happy.
First time used. Only thing cooked was 4 strips of London broil. Burnt hand when opening up from steam coming out of unit. And the nose stick is a joke. I've had older grill for a long time. Only reason I tried to replace it, non-stick surface in spots was going bad. But this is crap.